I've got Ross in today. Now he has got an Achilles tendonitis, pretty acute. It's on this one, on the right one. We've actually treated this a little bit, but you can still see there's a bit of a bump there, of a bit of fluid. That's recent because he did 36 Ks yesterday because he's training for a 50K race. Now, what we're going to do is show you how we tape the Achilles to try and keep him training. Obviously, he needs treatment on that. He needs exercise. He needs a bit of rest. But the taping will help facilitate him being able to keep going, get him through the race. Now, this Achilles taping, we're going to use Kinesio tape. Okay, there's a black one. I like this because you can change the actual tension of the tape, it's elastic, so you can run with it. But I'm also going to show you what we do to sort of help out the Achilles especially, not just the calf, and the anchor of the Achilles tendon into the heel. So I'll show you this little special one with that.